So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now and click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. We can run it in the background as you complete the next steps in the video, so you just want to minimize this. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search again and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. Now you're going to scroll down till you find Windows Modules Installer. Here it is, Windows Modules Installer. You're going to double click on it. Change the startup type to automatic and then click on start, which will then make the service status running. So automatic and then click on start, which will make the service status running, and then click on OK. And now for the third step, SFC scan now should now be completed. If it's not, just wait for it to be completed. Now you're going to type in DISM.exe /online /cleanup -image /Restorehealth and click on enter. Now you want to wait for this final scan to be completed as well. Then you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.